PS600 Bed Mower. This is typically a standard piece of equipment, not typically customized. Comes with a Category 2 3-point hitch. This will cut up to about 48 inches wide. It is adjustable. You can try to adjust this to the top of one of your raised beds. So a lot of farmers at the end of their season, they'll use this for one of two reasons. They're either going to be double cropping, which means after they remove all that crop residue by using the mower, they're going to go ahead and reuse the same plastic that they have over their bed to replant, again, using the same plastic. Or they're going to be lifting up the plastic. They want to get that crop residue off before either using a Kennco plastic lifter or our PS613 plastic retriever. So a lot of times you might see these ship out in pairs with one or the other lifter or retriever. Some other features is it is adjustable. You want to try to get it to as close to the bed as possible without the blades hitting the plastic. Usually 4 to 6 inches is going to be safe, but you can get, farmers are going to try to get down as close as they can, maybe within a couple inches. The blades that we have on here are machined to be double-sided. That way when one side becomes dull, you just remove a bolt, flip it over, and then you got a new set of blades. This gauge roller here is also adjustable, and the reason for this to be on here is it prevents the blades from ever hitting the plastic by, if you have any sort of dips or bumps in your rows, it's going to help keep those blades at the same distance above the plastic from your initial setting. I didn't mention it is Pto driven. As you can see here, it does come up with this Pto shaft, and it does have a clutch on the drive shaft. We do use expanded metal on the top of our bed mower versus something solid. We want to have something on top because we don't want, if you ever seen a video of these running, you got crop residue going everywhere. So we need to have something on top, that way the tractor's not getting hammered by all the crop residue. But we don't want anything solid on top because that creates a vacuum effect. And when you create a vacuum effect underneath here, it's going to try and lift that plastic up to those blades. So the reason we use expanded metal is to prevent that from happening. Typically your farmers will go anywhere from 2 to 5 miles an hour using this on their rows. Any questions?
Why is there a clutch on the PTO?
Why is there a clutch on the PTO versus not?
Because if you do happen to hit something, you'll spin the clutch, not bust your gearbox. Like your drive shaft in your car, it'll twist your drive shaft before it breaks your transmission.
Let's go eat lunch.